Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Donkey from Shrek. So, with my pencil, just going to lay it out a little bit. There's his big donkey body, little donkey legs. And of course, we can't forget the tail. All right, now with your pencil, you keep coming with me here. Don't start with your marker yet. So we're gonna draw his big old smiley face with a diagonal line that kind of comes up and around. Donkeys are funny. And then this comes down and around. And then we got his little donkey teeth. One donkey tooth, two donkey teeth. And then it kind of comes back. Got a line coming down. There we go. And then we got some little donkey teeth at the bottom. Oh, that's funny. Just like so. Then this line comes up and around. And we got another little line coming down. It kind of creates a circle-y kind of oval. We got his little donkey nostril. Then this line kind of comes up. Then we got this curvy line that comes in and out. So it's a curvy line with a little triangle pointy on it. And then we got the little donkey eye. We're gonna leave a little light in there. Little donkey eyebrow, not eyebrow, eyelash. Here's the eyebrow. Little donkey eyebrow. And then we're going to draw the donkey ear. Got some big ears, donkeys do. And there's the outside. And we got some little donkey fluffy hair here. Line coming across. And then here's the other donkey ear. Okay, and then that leads us into the other side of the donkey face. There's the donkey chin coming back and in. There's the bottom. Yeah, funny. Okay, then this eye is kind of more round and a little bit bigger because of the way it's positioned. And we'll put a little black there with a little light showing. Little curvy line coming around. Little detail in this ear. Yeah, looks good. And then here's the neck. And that comes down. All right. Then over here, this line comes down like that for the shoulder. Here's the little donkey booty. And the leg. Little donkey hair there. Bottom of the leg. There's the hoof. And then the leg is gonna come back up and around. There's the donkey belly line. Donkeys got big bellies. They're kind of more like sturdy than a horse. And then here's the other donkey leg. Up like that. Curvy line coming in. There we go. He's got two hind legs. Good, good. All right. Now for the front leg. So it's going to start kind of in the middle here. And it's going to come down. Do a little curvy thing and come down. And these legs are all going to kind of line up down here. And we're going to have a little donkey fur over the hoof. There we go. Yeah, come back. And then we got some little donkey chesties. Coming up like so. And we got the other leg that's behind. And then that comes up. There we go. And there, my friends, my little art friends, learning how to draw. Oh, we forgot his tail. How else is he gonna swat the flies landing on him? Little zigzaggy kind of thing. And there we have Donkey. He looks funny. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.